Let's delve into the design, for Dumpling Craft Pro isn't just a maker, it's a fusion of form and function. Crafted with precision, its sleek and modern design makes it a standout addition to your kitchen arsenal. This is not just a dumpling press, it's an intelligently designed solution that seamlessly integrates into your cooking routine, becoming a visual delight. It's not just a kitchen tool, it's an aesthetic upgrade to the concept of dumpling creation. But what truly sets Dumpling Craft Pro apart is its manual precision. This dumpling maker doesn't just shape your dumplings, it does so with the finesse of handcrafted perfection. The user-friendly design allows you to effortlessly create uniform and beautifully crimped dumplings, whether you're making classic pot stickers, delicate momos, or stuffed pierogies. Dumpling Craft Pro becomes the guardian of your culinary artistry, providing you with the freedom to express your creativity in the kitchen. It's not just a dumpling press, it's a symphony of handmade precision. It doesn't just confine itself to a specific type of dumpling, it adapts to your diverse culinary needs. The adjustable size settings ensure that you can create dumplings of various sizes, catering to your preferences and the type of filling you desire. Whether you're hosting a dumpling making party with friends or preparing a comforting meal for yourself, Dumpling Craft Pro is a multitasking marvel that reinvents the art of dumpling creation. It's not just a maker, it's an avant-garde solution to your culinary precision. Operation is a breeze with Dumpling Craft Pro. No need for intricate techniques or professional culinary skills. The user-friendly design ensures that you can easily fill, fold, and crimp your dumplings with minimal effort, allowing you to enjoy the process of creating handmade delights. The sturdy construction ensures stable operation, providing you with a reliable dumpling making companion for your kitchen adventures. It's not just a dumpling press, it's an easy upgrade to a world of handmade culinary artistry. Dumpling Craft Pro isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a sensory delight. The tactile feel of crafting each dumpling, the precision in shaping, and the overall enhancement of your culinary experience, it's a symphony of handmade elegance. The experience isn't just about making dumplings, it's about turning your kitchen into a harmonious space of culinary artistry. Kindly like and share. See you tomorrow.